This is the driving lesson, Canadian driving lesson. All right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna talk about how to get my driving license in Canada only in 15 minutes. Before I was stay in New Zealand before, so I get a New Zealand driving lesson like here, and then now I'm staying in Vancouver, Canada. That's in British Columbia province in Canada. So when I when I get a BC driving lesson, they call BC here because British Columbia. Yeah. So only 15 minutes because I exchange. I exchange with New Zealand driving license to Canadian driving license. So only need to take picture and they check everything. Like they check the driving license. How to say it? Check detail of driving lesson, New Zealand driving lesson. They check everything. I think I don't know. I think I can get Canadian driving lesson because they check correctly. So they said, okay, you can get a Canadian driving lesson without the knowledge test and road test. That's very, very lucky for me because I have my friend. They want to take a road test, but until now still hard to get it because need to knowledge test, road test. That's a little bit hard because we are from another country and coming to Canada because the different rules when we are going in the street or in the road. So Alhamdulillah, I get it, and lucky for me. Alhamdulillah. This is the driving lesson, Canadian driving lesson. All right. Okay, that's it, guys. That's just I can tell you guys. So if you have from another country, like from I think about 11 country, they have agreement with the Canada. They can exchange the driving license to Canadian driving license. Like example, from UK, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Austria, Switzerland, South Korea, and Japan. Yeah, that's another country have agreement with Canada, so they can get easily the driving lesson. Okay, guys, today's video is only about that, so we can continue another video maybe next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like, so we can share what can we do here in Canada. Okay guys, see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.